Hi, I'm Adam with Westside Tire and Auto, and also Cliffs Tire and Battery. We keep Wisconsin moving. Do you have questions you want answered so you don't get taken advantage of the next time you go in for an auto repair? Or maybe you just don't want to feel awkward asking innocent questions about auto parts, oil changes, or whatever other type of car service you might need? Then you've come to the right place. A question that we often get asked is this: what void or cause problems with my warranty if I choose to get work done here and not the dealership? It's a fair question, and none of us around here are attorneys, that's for sure. But the court's ruling on the Magnuson-Moss Act determined it to be illegal for a company to make warranties contingent on that. So long as you service your vehicle based on the maintenance recommendation in your owner's manual, it does not matter if the auto repair shop is a dealer or an independent. I hope this helps, and if you or anyone you know is looking for new tires, transmissions, brake repair, brake service, or any other type of auto service in Oshkosh or auto service in Ripon, there are a lot of good auto repair shops in the area, especially when you consider those in Neenah, Menasha, Appleton, or Fond du Lac. Of course, I'm biased, and I happen to believe that we're among the best, and because I do, I'd like to invite you to visit any of our area locations and judge for yourself. Thanks so much, and we'll see you soon. Oh, one last thing. Check out our free special offer at www.autoservicewi.com. I think you'd be glad you did.